YouTube? It's your boy Joseph the Realist, and I'm back at it with another video doing that's Yasmin, and I'm doing an unboxing for a freaking table I got from what's it called, Walmart. So I got it for like 55, came out to 60 bucks with tax. So here's the box right here. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I'm gonna show you the parts first, then I'm gonna pause and assemble it and show y'all. Show you how to put it together and whatever. Oh, that's a nice wood. Alright, let's see what comes in here. Alright, so it's all the bars, and see, I think the screws are in there. Alright, so I'm gonna try to start assembling this. I'll be right back. Give me a second. Alright guys, I'm back. I finished putting it together. It took like about like 10 minutes screwing it. I had like over 22 screws in it. But it's a girl Yasmin over there. Jasmine. Yeah, little rebel on Instagram. Anyways, yeah, back to this table. I just put it together. I like it so far for 60 bucks. It's not bad, and they got delivered to me, free shipping. Just gotta pay the tax. But I'm gonna put my computer on and see how it looks, and I'll be right back. Jeez, damn, it's only been 30 seconds. It's crazy. Yeah, guys, if you like the video, leave a like and subscribe down below. And yeah, I'm gonna put my computer on and see how it looks. Alright guys, here is the desk. I got my mic stand on there, or whatever the hell it's called. I got my computer, and yeah, this is like, I still need to wait for my monitor and to fix my PC, but this table, I love it. It's sturdy, you know. It's it came with like a little bit of scratches, but like it's in really good. Like from this position, you can't really see any of the scratches. I put the poles in some spot where you can't see. But like I said, I got this from Walmart. It was a really good deal for like if you're looking for a computer desk, you know, gaming desk, whatever. Like for me, if you have a single monitor, it's good. If you have dual, then you know, get a bigger table. But you know, if you're looking for a budget PC, you know, trying to just get something for the low end on the price, and just, you know, want a good quality, sturdy, because like it's really good. You know. It took forever to put this together, but yeah guys, I love it. I suggest y'all get it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Murder on call with the fight now. 20 years and it seemed like a lifetime. I've been hanging every day from a lifeline. Why these fuckers tell dinner every night?